best 5-minute wine podcast.
Buongiorno, Forrest. Let's taste some wine and make it fun, eh?
Hey, sour grapes, what's with all the noise?
I built a 3-lane bowling alley down here next to my wine cellar. I've got league bowling going on right now.
Well, can you tell him to be quiet for a minute?
Let me walk over and close that soundproof door.
Okay, let's dive into today's episode, the 5 steps of wine tasting. Step 1, see.
Yes, see the wine. Hold it up to the light. If you can't see through it, either it's a red wine or you forgot to take the cap off.
Good advice. Step 2, swirl.
Swirl the wine. It's like doing a mini tornado in your glass. Just don't get too excited and spill it on your date, unless you need an excuse to leave.
Haha. Step 3, sniff.
Sniff like you're trying to identify the mystery smell in your fridge. Get in there. If you smell wet dog, send it back. Otherwise, enjoy the aromas.
Oh boy, I'm getting hints of laundry day. Step 4, sip.
Take a small sip. Let it cover your tongue. But remember, it's a sip, not a gulp. We're tasting, not playing a drinking game. At least, not yet.
And finally, step 5, savor.
Savor it. Let it linger like a great story. If the taste disappears faster than my hairline, it's probably not a great wine. Remember, this is Sour Grapes, pouring grumpy wisdom one vintage at a time.
The best 5-minute wine podcast.